Hey everybody, this is Ryan. I'm going to give you a nice little review of Jay Cutler, Mr. Cutler's Cutler Nutrition Prevail Rush Pre-Workout. This just so happens to be Blue Raz. I'm going to give you a little subjective taste test. I'm going to show the mixability. That's always important for a lot of folks, depending on how you mix it up. And some key things to see if this is for you. Because as somebody that has used this before, I can tell you, you are gonna get wiry, and not in a bad way. And so if you need something from a little bit more on the high stem standpoint, this might be for you. Again, two call outs specifically. It's a whole bunch of different things in here. But caffeine and hydrous, you're at 300 milligrams, and then dicaffeine malate, another 130 milligrams on top of that. The things that jumped out with me was the citrulline at 4,000 milligrams, beta-alanine at 2,000 milligrams, and then beta-nitrate at another 2,000 milligrams. But I could just tell you, if you need something that's on the higher end of the stem category, and more importantly, because it's the way you don't have a crash. Again, very subjective. Everybody's different, but I don't have that, like, I'm about to pass out, 3 or 4 hours after the workout. Let's see how mixable this is. Just got my glass of water. So you can see that that's always, to me, a good indicator. It almost like turns to powder as it's falling. It does float. That's probably just how I poured it in there. And then you can see no clumping. I mean, mixes perfecto. Taste wise, on point. That's all I gotta say. Now, I'm not a big, I really could care less about the taste because usually I'm knocking this out pretty quick. But if you're the type of person that the taste is important, this particular one, and there's a couple different flavors that this product comes in, I don't think you will be disappointed. Again, everybody's taste buds are different. Hope this kind of gives you an idea of what all you're going to get with the old Cutler Nutrition here, Prevail Rush, and we'll talk to you soon.